Welcome to Machine Sentry, a unique maintenance, operations, and reliability-focused asset management platform. This system offers ease of integration with operations, condition, and maintenance data, allowing the user to easily visualize asset health, understand plant and machinery performance, maintenance execution, all on one simple-to-use platform. Whether you are focused on effective lubrication management, visual inspections, or a complete asset management monitoring solution, Machine Sentry allows modular scalability and identifies risk of asset failure. The platform allows for inspection and preventative maintenance plans using techniques such as vibration, temperature, oil condition, thermal imaging, process data, and electrical measurements identifying failure risk and equipment deterioration. Unlike other condition-based maintenance software, which tend to be specific to a single technique, not user-friendly and expert-driven, Machine Sentry's easy-to-use software and visualization dashboards allows basic to advanced users a cloud and tablet-based plant-wide ecosystem to drive asset management improvement. In addition to Machine Sentry's lowest cost of asset data collection, the software suite also provides additional benefits in the form of our automated diagnostic assistant, ADA. ADA de-skills the need to have plant experts diagnose machinery problems. Easy visual inspections recording and compliance. Full lubrication management program scheduling, activity guidance, and compliance. Tablet-based preventative maintenance execution, realizing on-the-spot, real time-stamped activity. Immediately raise maintenance notifications, plan and prioritize them. Operator-driven reliability program compliance is assured by time-stamped recording of inspection activities. Automatic reporting of cost-benefit analysis savings. Track fault type and reasons on equipment intervention that allows continued improvement activity to be realized. Machine Sentry achieves all these objectives by affording the ability to connect to third-party sensors and data sources. Many clients choose to use Machine Sentry's lowest cost product lineup that includes Machine Sentry Mobile, Machine Sentry Fixed, Machine Sentry Fixed Gateway, Machine Sentry Online, Machine Sentry Electrical, Machine Sentry Oil, Machine Sentry Motion Magnification. Machine Sentry can be quickly deployed across multiple geographical regions and site locations, regardless of plant or asset maturity. You can build your program focused on a specific technique or integrate existing programs that you may have in place. Customers can view simple trends and historical parameters via machine-specific dashboards, and the advanced user can analyze detailed machinery parameters or specific failure modes. The system allows users to immediately create action notifications in the field, allowing an improvement of reporting, scheduling, and execution of work order activity that can be reviewed by management anywhere in the world, either at full organization or site-specific level. Users can generate high-quality, rapid reporting of all site and plant hierarchy levels, including reliability service reports, asset status summary, lubrication usage reports, scheduling reports, action notes, bad actor reports, ADA reports. We hope you have enjoyed this brief demonstration of our industry-leading asset management platform and dare to try AES reliability just once.